Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will learn about the universal law of gravitation. This law has a definite statement, and the statement is, in our universe every object attract each other, and the force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the object and inversely proportional to the square of their distance between the objects. So we can write the mathematical expression of the law of the statement also. We have said that the force of attraction, if it is denoted by F, then the force is proportional to the product of the masses of the objects. Think of two objects, M1, M1 and M2. Okay, and these masses are separated by a distance small r. So the force is directly proportional to the product of the masses. So F is proportional to M1 into M2. The product of the masses will be M1 and M2. So F is directly proportional to M1, M2. And the second point is the force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Here the distance is r, so the square of the distance will be r square. So F is directly proportional to the square. F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the masses. So the square of the masses, distance of the square of the mass is r square. So F is proportional to 1 by r square, as it is inversely proportional. So we have written 1 by r square. These are two equations we got from the statement of the law. Combining these two equations, we have F is proportional to M1 M2 by r square, and if we want to convert the proportionality sign into a equality sign, then we have to bring here a constant which is denoted by capital G. So F equal to capital G into M1 M2 by r square. This is the definite mathematical expression of universal law of gravitation. This constant capital G is called universal gravitational constant, and it has definite value in SI and CGS system. So we got from the mathematical expression of universal law of gravitation, F equal to capital G M1 M2 by r square. From here we can have the the expression of capital G, F r square by M1 M2. So capital G equal to force into distance, square of the distance divided by product of the mass. The unit of force in SI system, the unit of force is Newton. The unit of distance is meter, so r square, the unit of r square will be meter square, m square, and here there is the product of mass. The unit of mass in SI system is kg, kilogram, so kg to the power minus 2. So the unit of capital G will be Newton meter square, kg to the power minus 2. And capital G has a definite value in SI system, and it is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square, kg to the power minus 2. At last, I want to add two example. Not example, it is comparison to understand the law clearly. Let us consider two objects, a blue pen and a black pen. Okay, these are two objects present in our universe, and physical objects having definite mass. So according to the law, this pen will attract the black pen, according to the Newton's third law or the law of gravitation, the black pen will also attract the blue pen, but we can't feel the effect of the force of attraction because the force is directly proportional to the product of the mass m1 m2, and the value of the masses of these pens or markers is not too much high, so the force is also very weak, so we can't feel the effect of force. But in case of very large object like sun, earth, moon, the effect of we can feel the effect of gravitational pull or force, because these objects, sun, earth and moon, have too much high value of mass, so the force, the attraction force can be felt by us. So this was the small explanation of universal law of gravitation. I hope that you can understand now what is universal law of gravitation, and if you have any question, let me know.